Welcome back, students. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Life is Easy with Biology. Let's begin today's topic, IUDs, another contraceptive method. Okay. Now, students, in my last class, we have already studied about natural methods, we have studied about the barrier methods. Now, coming to IUDs. What do you understand by this IUD? IUD means intrauterine devices. Intrauterine devices. These devices, agar suppose if we take this as a uterus, this is the female reproductive system I'm trying to draw. This is the uterus region, this is the fallopian tube. Okay, here is the ovary. A rough diagram in order to explain you all. Now, so IUDs, one of the famous IUD is copper T. Okay, so ये करता क्या है student? Copper T is inserted by doctors, so it does not give privacy to the user. Okay, but it is one of the best method to space children. स्पेस चिल्ड्रन का मतलब अगर एक बच्चा आपका अभी हुआ है 2025 में और एक बच्चा आप चाहते हैं कि 3 साल बाद हो, है ना, या 4 साल बाद हो, गैप रखे बच्चे के बीच में, देन IUD इज द बेस्ट मेथड. Doctors, they insert a copper T. It is like this, a small thin metallic structure inserted through the vaginal tract covering the uterus. अब suppose देखिए स्टूडेंट, यहाँ से ovary, these are the ovaries, right? And ova is released from this place, from the ovary. तो अगर ova यहाँ release हो भी गया and copulation में sperm entry कर भी गया, then also will they ever meet? Will they ever meet, student? No, बिकॉज ये एरिया ही ब्लॉक्ड है, राइट. दूसरा है कि दीज आईयूडीज दे डिक्रीज द स्पर्म मोटिलिटी, डिक्रीज द स्पर्म मोटिलिटी. इसके स्पीड को ही डिक्रीज कर देता है, यूट्रस को अनफिट कर देता है कि इम्प्लांटेशन ना हो. अगर ये सपोज मिल भी जाए, इट मेक्स द यूट्रस अनफिट फॉर इम्प्लांटेशन. Okay, there are different types of IUDs that we study. One is the non-medicated IUDs. इसका best example is Lippis loop. Okay, Lippis loop. Then is copper releasing IUD. CUT, CU7, multi-load 357, multi-load 357. These are the copper releasing. Hormone releasing, LNG20. Okay, LNG20. What does these IUDs do, student? It decreases the sperm motility so that the fertilizing capacity is reduced and it makes the uterus unfit for implantation. Next, we can talk about oral pills. Now, oral pills क्या है? Oral administration, जैसे tablets के form में, अगर if a lady is taking progestogen और progestogen estrogen combination का एक tablet ले लिया in order to prevent pregnancy, this is oral pill. And when it is taken, the next question is कब लेते हैं इसको? Suppose a girl is getting her periods, again I'm taking the same date, 1st August to 5th August, वो periods date होता है, ठीक है, उसको periods हो रहा है इस तारीख में, तो 6 अगस्त से वो फिर से स्टार्ट कर देगी ये पिल्स लेना and will continue, okay, throughout the month. And as soon as continue up till 31st August कि 30th August, and जैसे ही फर्स्ट आने वाला होगा 1st September, शी विल लीव द टैबलेट, शी विल नॉट यूज़ इट. मतलब कि 1st September से 5 September तक शी विल नॉट टेक द पिल्स, and again from 6th September she will start taking the pills. Are you understanding? No, सिर्फ जब menstruation हो रहा है तब pills नहीं लेना है, नहीं तो पूरे 21 days you have to continue with the pills, सिर्फ उस एक हफ्ता को छोड़कर when menstruation is taking place. Okay, what does the oral pills do? It prevents ovulation. Okay, it prevents ovulation, make the uterus unfit for implantation, makes the cervix hostile. Okay, मतलब कि it will not allow, or it will phagocytose the sperm, it will kill the sperm entering into the uterus, the oral pills. Examples, Saheli, the best example, Saheli. सहेली इज एन ओरल कंट्रासेप्टिव पिल, वंस अ वीक पिल, एक बार वंस अ वीक पिल, इसे अब हफ्ता में एक बार ही लेना होता है, वंस अ वीक पिल. इट वॉज discovered by CDRI, Central Drug Research Institute, Lucknow. Okay, so we will deal with the next topics in our next video. Signing off. Thank you, students.